Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Pocket Option Bot Pro on both demo and real accounts. I'll walk you through the exact settings used in this test and show you how the bot performs in live market conditions. Before we begin, please note that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be considered financial advice. Trading involves risk, and you should always trade responsibly. Now, let's take a look at the bot settings used in this demonstration.
To the trading reality. Here we share honest trading experiences and real market analysis. No fake promises. Trading involves risk, and losses are part of the journey. Never trade money you can't afford to lose. I spent a lot of time analyzing and creating this trading video for you. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. It really helps me bring more quality trading content.
For this setup, a recommended starting balance is between $50 and $60. This helps provide enough capital to support the Martingale sequence while managing risk more effectively. As always, I strongly recommend testing any strategy on a demo account before using real money. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future trading videos. Now let's get started and see the bot in action. Important risk warning. Please use this bot carefully. While it can perform well under certain market conditions, there are times when the market can suddenly become volatile or move into a consolidation phase. During these conditions, the Martingale strategy may experience consecutive losing trades, which could result in significant losses or even the loss of your trading capital. No trading bot can guarantee profits in every market condition. In this video, I can only explain the basic setup and demonstrate how the bot works. I cannot cover every trading scenario or market condition in a single video. Before using this bot on a real account, I strongly recommend practicing on a demo account and learning how the bot behaves in different market conditions. Always use proper risk management and only trade with money you can afford to lose.
How the trading direction works. To begin trading, you must first select a trade direction, either call or put. Once the first trade is placed, the bot will follow the direction settings you have selected. If the first trade is a win, the bot will automatically stop trading. To start a new trading cycle, you will need to place another manual call or put trade. If the first trade is a loss, the bot will automatically continue trading using the configured Martingale sequence until a winning trade is achieved or all Martingale steps have been completed. Trading direction options, inverse trade. Off. When inverse trade is turned off, the bot will continue trading in the same direction as your original trade. Example, if you select call and the trade loses, all subsequent Martingale trades will also be call trades. If you select put and the trade loses, all subsequent Martingale trades will also be put trades. Inverse trade. On. When inverse trade is turned on, the bot will switch to the opposite direction after a losing trade. Example, if you select call and the trade loses, the next Martingale trade will be a put trade. If you select put and the trade loses, the next Martingale trade will be a call trade.